Meaning of descendant.
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 Descendant. The term descendant describes a person, animal, or plant that is descended from a particular ancestor or group of ancestors. It refers to the offspring or progeny of an individual or lineage, who inherit traits and characteristics from their forebears. Descendants can be found across different generations and are connected through their shared ancestry. In genealogy, tracking one's descendants is a common way to trace family history and understand how individuals and lineages have evolved over time. Ultimately, understanding descendants helps us to appreciate our place in the broader context of human or natural history.